one beam up, the big 18 footer up, and then the 12 footer. Get some nice beams out of this. Very nice beams. Be careful with that, okay? Because it's really slippery. You don't want to slip with that. If you ever do slip with the saw, you throw the saw, okay? Because you don't want to hurt yourself. Don't worry about the saw. Worry about you. She's greasy today. Greasy. Wet and greasy. Have a bunch of blocks today. And we're going to be putting these blocks underneath that's going to be our fun to start with. So we are going to be, I can't back up very far today because it's wet. We're going to just carry these up there. That's the plan. All right, let's go, Bubs. Take those boards. Go get some gloves, as I would recommend. Got Bubs. Put them down by. So the idea is to push this back over top of there, put the jack underneath, lift it up, put blocks underneath here so I can mill sideways with my vertical mill. So let's see what we can do here. Good job. Okay, now let's just see what we can do here with this. Now I'm going to try to, if you can go to the top there and try to wiggle this down. I don't know if that's going to go. Just try to wiggle it down a bit. Don't put your fingers underneath. Don't put your fingers anywhere near the thing. Okay, go to the back of the truck behind my seat. Get the wedges. Wedges and the spinning ball. I have an idea how we can move this, I think. Just enough to get it up. Thing that I split the wood with. Okay, give me some of those wedges, please.
That's going the other way.
Thank you. Can you just stand here? Put that up there. Stand here with your hip against it, it won't go anywhere. If it does, just run that way. Put all your weight against it, your hip, right into it. Okay, now let's take these wedges out. Can you get the wedge out from the end? See those short pieces there? Those pieces there? Yeah.
This? Or the
This way.
saw?
Can you get that out of this end here? Push that up as high as you can. Oh, actually, I'll do it. Leverage. Wonderful thing. Let's try this alone.
quite, eh? Thought maybe we'd have enough leverage to get it up.
Can you just try standing on the end there? Putting all your weight. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay. Hold that.
Should I get off?
No, that's good. Okay, I can actually do this. Okay. Stay there. It's not going to go anywhere. I can lift this up, put this underneath. Because you're making the weight quite a bit less. Like, really quite a bit less.
Whoa.
Don't go off there. Okay, now get off. Okay, the next board there has to me. So we're getting ready to mill the board behind here, and there was this old stump in the way, which was an old cedar. So it was partly rotten, but cedar doesn't rot too fast, so it was still had its integrity about it. So we had to cut this out. This is just me cutting it out and taking off all the dirt on top. It didn't take too long, but it was more strong than I thought it would be. Can you come here?
Yeah.
You go to the other side and you bang that slightly, and I'm just gonna go down here and hold it because I got more weight. Not yet. Okay, go for it. Keep going. Yeah, hard. Hit her hard. Keep going. Keep her going. Yeah, you're doing good. Keep her going. Okay. Can you take the wedge out there? Huh?
No, I can't.
Take it out then. Good.
It's kind of sideways.
It's okay.
You want me to pick up the wedges here?
Don't go near it right now. Get one of these boards over here. Ah, so close. We're gonna have to get a thin one of these or something. Yeah, that one there, that maple there.
It's kind of bendy. What about this one?
Get one of those ones there.
Do you need this one too?
Maybe, yeah. That'll work pretty good, I think. You can get one of those ones behind you here. I'll do it. In case it falls, I don't want that falling on you. Let's get one more underneath there. One more of those, that one there.
Oh.
Stay there.
That's pretty rinkety dinky.
Now, how did we do this other part? You remember?
I stood at the end.
Huh?
I stood at the end while you put a block.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's move this out of the way then. Not yet though. Just bring it up here to on top. You might be able to lift this up. this side. Come to this side because that's. Oh yeah, I can do it. Go ahead. Right there, good.
It was like a teeter-totter.
Huh?
It was like a teeter-totter.
Yeah, it is. Can you hold that there? I'm gonna push it that way, but so yours is. You're gonna hold it there so it doesn't go off back on it. Okay. Now, I just want to lift this up a little bit and move this if I can. A little bit more uniform.
I don't know what these.
Oh, where's the handle? There it is. Put the camera over here on this.
It's good over here.
Okay, if you can get it all there. This underneath, okay, ready? There you go, good job. You did her. You're good. Okay. All right, so there's one beam up, the big 18 footer up, and then the 12 footer. We can get the vertical mill on there and take off those sides. Well, that was a good day. It's sure wet out. Doesn't take much, and the ground is really greasy. But if we wait for a nice day, we'll never get this done. Let's make sure I have a 6-inch differential on that when I'm putting the saw on there, and have it stick up high enough. Looks good. Get some nice beams out of this. Very nice beams. That one beam's a little bit crooked there, but must have had a kink in the ladder. But these ones look beautiful. Here comes Bubba Chubbs.
I'm dirtier than you.
You are dirtier than me. That means you're working hard. Okay, careful with that, okay, because it's really slippery. You don't want to slip with that. If you ever do slip with the saw, you throw the saw, okay, because you don't want to hurt yourself. Don't worry about the saw, worry about you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.